Hello guys, another video here. I'm gonna show you how to remove the battery on this Subaru remote. I think it's the same procedure on a 09 through 2019 remote. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this little screw in the back right here. So let's remove it. It's really simple. You have to be careful. The same screw that holds the back piece, it holds the blade in place, so you have to be careful. Don't drop it because you're gonna have problem with it later. So with the flat screw, we're just gonna push this up and then we pull it out. That's the battery, and then we're just gonna push it with the screw right out, and then the battery number is the CR2032. So we're gonna put it back. After you replace it, we're just gonna put it back. So this is the plus sign right here, so I don't know, I don't think you will mess that up. So let's put it back after we replace the battery, and then let's pull up the plastic bag. All right, and then don't forget to put this screw back in place, because if you don't put it back, the blade it'll come off. So it's very important to put it back. Don't lose it. All right, that's pretty much it. Okay, everything's working. Awesome. Thank you for watching. Take care.